Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome. In today's video, I have a FNAF video planned, yay! So today I saw these two things at Walmart. They are FNAF candy, I guess. I'm probably really late to this, but oh well. And I just dropped one of them. Oh well, it's FNAF and it's unboxing and candy and what could go wrong, right? So the first one I'm going to open is this one. It's a little box, and I guess you can already see him, but that's okay. That's all right. I'm gonna see what this is. Probably not gonna keep the box. Probably gonna destroy the box, actually. Holy crap. Okay, all right. Finally got it. Oh, there we go. All right. This is really cute. It's a little Freddy Fazbear like cube. And then you just open this and that's where the candy comes out. I will try the candy then at the end. And this just tells me what other ones they have. Alrighty, so the next one is actually kind of like a blind bag, but not because there's a little window here. So I think we're going to get Bonnie because it looks like that's the closest match. Am I right? I am right. We got Bonnie. Oh my gosh, it looks kind of cute, I'm gonna be honest. Silly but cute, you know what I mean? And then I guess you're supposed to twist it? Am I doing this wrong? Going to break it. I don't. Oh, no, there we go. Supposed to twist it and put the candy in here, and then this like closes or something. I'm not going to put the candy in there. If it's separate, I'm going to leave it separate because this is just for display for me anyway. So, and then we have, oh, here's the candies. And then it comes with a little poster. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's Bonnie with the guitar. That is really cool, actually. I like this. Oh, and on the back, it has the little cubes thing I have, the other ones, and it looks like you can mix and match, like, the heads and stuff. So, okay, that was interesting. Well, they're cute. I really like them. And I'm probably going to take the candy out of this just because I don't think I want it in there. Is it the exact same candy? Yeah, it's the exact same candy. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to give the candy a try. Oh, gosh. Oh, no, I just dropped one. Oh, no, I see it. Okay. I'm like, I don't want my cat to eat it, but no, I'll be able to get it. Okay, here it goes. Actually, it's not that bad. I really don't mind this at all. It's like super, it's almost like if you've ever eaten Smarties, those little round pieces of basic sugar, like compacted sugar. It's basically what these are, except I can actually taste flavors with them. So actually these aren't that bad. And since I'm pretty sure these are the exact same candies that are supposed to go in here, I have a nice little thing of sugar. I always love sugar. So actually, they didn't taste that bad. I might actually eat the candy, which like surprises me. But so that was it. That was my little FNAF unboxing. I probably could have gotten more of these, but I just chose to get one of each just cuz plus I didn't know how the candy tasted, although I guess I could have gotten more of the characters. Either way, I chose what I chose. I could always go back some other point later if I feel like it. But anyway, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!